Hey guys, it's been a long time. Frugal Tiger is not really back yet, but I just want to talk a little bit about where I've been. My air conditioning actually broke. I live in Vegas. My air conditioning broke. I had to get that replaced. I had a huge water leak in this house due to the air conditioning breaking. All the way from the second floor. You guys can kind of see this now. The lighting's a little bit bad in this area as a result. This is my main living area, and that's all gone. Also, the webcam computer that I was using to live trade my records and record them, that computer's dead. It's over there. Yeah, it's gone. It needs a new video card. And everything in that regard's been going pretty poorly for me. Frugal Tiger was in a very tilted state. Just was not in the mood to get videos out. And once I resolve issues with my house, this issue you see has happened down 2 floors. The insurance is giving me a really hard time in covering it. I lost a bunch of my trading equipment. It's been one disaster after the other, but Frugal Tiger is a stoic by nature. I'm gonna get through this. I'm gonna continue to trade. And I do plan on making videos pretty soon. I am actually flying back out to the East Coast to my old house. I will be selling that old house, not because I'm broke and not because of Palantir, but because I got a very good price for it. I will get back into trading and live trading. I guess it wasn't live trading, but showing trades and things like that. I think the market is finally doing what I thought it would be doing. I did a video about the big mistakes retail investors are gonna make. Basically, I'd mentioned, I think we're gonna rally from 3,600. It rallied way further than I thought it would rally. But then I think we're gonna head down and I think we're gonna break lower. I think there's gonna be a grand opportunity for all of us to make a lot of money as long as we're patient and wait for a good time to buy. I don't know when that will be. But as of Friday's close, I have not seen anything that shows me that we're capitulating. I think we're gonna go lower, probably 3,300. But the other thing I wanna mention is the market has been always overshooting targets since 2020 with the federal stimulus coming in and this federal stimulus coming out. Meaning I thought 4,800 was an overreaction when the S&P got that high to 4,800. And I think it could even overreact to lower below what I think is a good estimate to start really putting large chunks of money back in, which is 3,300. I think the market can overreact to the downside. I recently, as of Friday, made a few purchases. I bought some Facebook stock. Facebook was sitting around $140 when I bought some stock. I bought some Square stock. I bought a little bit of Roku stock. I bought a little bit of Nvidia and I bought a little bit of AMD, but I think we're gonna go lower from here and I'm waiting for my big purchases. My major purchases are probably not gonna start till S&P 3,300 and I think we can even go lower from there. So I'm gonna be watching the tape because I am not shorting the market or taking short positions on the market. I think getting the exact timing right is not as important as long as you're getting pretty good prices for what you're buying. Keep in mind, my buys on Facebook are not intended to be perfect buys. I just feel like Facebook's come down a lot. I feel like Square's come down a lot. I feel like Roku has come down a lot. I feel like AMD has come down a lot. So that's why I made those purchases the way I did. But other than that, guys, hang in there. If you're down a lot of money, just keep in mind, it's just the nature of the market. The strong survive. And by strength, I mean, of course, mental strength. Just hang in there, find some good spots, maybe even consider selling with the intention of buying back later at a lower price. Obviously, this is a little bit more difficult if you don't have trader tax status. You'll have to wait 30 days to avoid wash sale taxations. I just want everyone to know that if you're struggling, it's not gonna be forever. I think we're gonna have a good spot to get a lot of your money in. Just be patient. I honestly don't think I'm gonna be back to making regular videos. Most of my setup is actually pretty badly damaged right now. The lighting in my house isn't even really good. The water leaks are taken care of, but This freaking insurance company owes me about 50 grand. I have 50 grand worth of damage to my house. And this has just been going on for long enough. And Frugal Tiger's frugal, okay? He's not gonna pay this out of pocket expecting the insurance company to reimburse him. Too much going on, and I just wanna make sure I'm level-headed to make good decisions because I think there is an opportunity for Frugal Tiger to finally make his fuck you money spot. A spot is gonna open up where I can put all my money into the stock market and just let it sit there. That's what I'm waiting for. All my money into the market. I'm not gonna buy on margin, but I'm gonna day trade using margin. Be wary of Jerome Powell and the Fed. I think there's a chance we can go lower. I think even 3,300 might be overshot and we can drop even lower to like 28. I'm not gonna make any predictions. Let's just watch the tape, see where we play out. And honestly, the reason I bought Facebook, Square, and Roku and all those names is we could actually have a bear market rally again off of 3,600 or 3,700 where we closed this past Friday. Once again, I have some decent size, like enough to make money off of a bear market rally, but I think the trend is still to the downside. We could rally from here, but I think the trend is still to the downside. That's it. Have a good rest of your week.
Another one. I just want the money, 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 money.